Hello, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. I am Ankita Mishra. I am back as I promised with my new tutorial video. As this is a wedding season going on, so I thought to bring some wedding season choreography. So here I am. So let's not waste time and start the tutorial.
So we will start facing the audience back and taking 2 steps and 2 beats on your waist. 1, 2. So let's do again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The next step, drop one leg to your side and give 2 beats in your waist. 1, 2. Following with your hand movement, rotate your wrist and take your hand from down to up and snap your finger one time and turn to the audience. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 2 times shoulder movement with 2 counts and 2 steps back with 2 counts. When you're doing this step, bend your knees a bit. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Try to do the body movement prominently to make the step look good. The next step, hand movement, is hand wave. You can follow up with the link of the tutorial video in the description. Raise your legs 2 times. Let's do with the hands. 1, 2. Then take one hand with one leg and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then keep your both hands behind your head. Then take one leg to the front and jump with the other leg up 2 times. Let's do 1, 2. Let's do the body movement from side to front, side to front. Then you have to step to side with 4 counts. Little bend your knees and don't spread your legs to sides. A little bent knee and shoulder movement will enhance the beauty of the step. So let's do together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Repeat the first set on the other side. 1, 2 and rotate your hands to 360 degree. The legs you have to jump and step. 1, 2. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then next step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very simple. The leg is 1 and 2. Hands 2 times, 1 up and 1 upside down. The leg portion you are doing, it's just the heel action that gives a jerk in your body, like 1, 2. Let's do again. 1 and 2. So let's do again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2. Now notice the hand movement and move forward with 2 legs on 2 counts, like 1, 2. Make the body movement along with that. 1 and 2. 1, 2 and then 1 and 2. You just have to rotate your leg from inside to outside, like 1, 2. I will zoom and show you the clear view of my leg, like 1 and 2. So automatically with the leg movement your waist movement happens. So let's do it again. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's revise. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then next step, you have to give slight jerk jump to both the sides 2 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you have to keep both your hands behind the back and 1. Let's do the body movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then a 5th bit on your shoulder. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Then kithe chali jani hai. Notice the hand movement that I am doing, and then 1 beat on the chest and 2 on your waist. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3. So let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So let's move on to the next portion. Keep your hands the way I am showing and move 2 steps forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll show you the leg step. It's just twisting your toe from outside to inside. Twist both of your feet together from outside to inside. Hands just down and up. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One side up around your face and down. Move sidewise 3 times as I am showing. Then to one corner, 1 and 2 and move back. Notice the hand movement and 1. Then you have to bend your knees inside. 1, 2. Notice the hand movement now. 1, 2. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2. Now let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Then you have to just lift your leg and come front. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's just a facial expression that you will do showing your nakara and all. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then 1, 2 and expression. Again. This part is all about your facial expression. The next step, you have to rotate your hands as I am showing. One time above your face and one time around your chest. And 1. So let's do again. 1, 2, 3. Then one step jump and turn. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 back. Then the next step 2, 3, 4. With the hands 2, 3, 4. Let's learn the hand movement. 1, 2, 3, 4 and jump and step forward doing the same step. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next step, notice the hand movement. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's revise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two jumps forward and back, one jump. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's go to the next step. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do again. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Then the next step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's revise again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then next 1, 2 and 3 and back. Then next 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Let's do hands like you're pulling something behind with one hand 2 times. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then jump to sides 4 times. Let's move on to the next step. Hold your hands the way I'm showing. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you have to just sit there and do the body movement. You have to do it 4 times. It is just the heel movement 4 times. Let's revise again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on to the next step. Turn your body and face one side and walk 4 steps behind. slightly shaking your body. Turn 1, 2, 3 and 4. Moving on to the next step, following this hand movement, you have to walk forward with this step. Link given in the description particularly for this step. Moving on to the next, walk front 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then standing still, flip your legs to both the sides 4 times. Let's do a revision. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on to the next leg movement 4 times. Let's go to the hand movement. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Together 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Front twist 2 times, back twist 2 times. Let's do it together again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you just have to walk front with casual expression and then laugh and turn back. So let's wrap it up with the music of the second section.
So that's all for today. Videos. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please do not forget to comment in the comment section how did you like my video. And yes, if you have any suggestion regarding any song, or you have anything to know more about the steps, or you cannot follow any steps, you can write it down without any hesitation in the comment section. I'll surely come up with the new ideas or techniques, or if any steps or any music or any beats you cannot follow, I'll be coming up explaining it more further. I'll come up with some more exciting videos on the wedding series. So till then, stay tuned, stay safe and take care.